Here are a few tips to help stay mentally alert. Stay active. Regular physical exercise increases blood flow to the brain and can improve cognitive function. Balanced diet. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins helps nourish the brain. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and nuts are particularly beneficial. Mental exercises. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, like puzzles, reading, or learning new skills. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and impaired cognitive function. Ensure you drink enough water throughout the day. Sleep well. Quality sleep is essential for cognitive processing and memory consolidation. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing to reduce stress, which can negatively impact mental alertness. Social interaction. Regularly engaging in conversations and social activities can help keep your mind sharp. Limit caffeine and sugar. While they may give a temporary boost, excessive consumption can lead to energy crashes and impair focus. Implementing these practices regularly can help maintain and even enhance mental sharpness.